Hello and welcome to Clipsmixxx channel. Today we have Kinderüberraschung surprise egg. Kinderüberraschung surprise egg. Hi there. Oh, Mickey Mouse. Oh, this is Kinderüberraschung. Yeah, Kinderüberraschung. I love Kinderüberraschung. Can you open it, please, Clipsmixxx? Oh yes, of course, Mickey Mouse. Teletubbies, Po. Po, look here, Po. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What's inside? 1, 2, 3. This is for you, Mickey. Oh, thank you. Hat. Look here. This is your hat. Ah, yeah, very funny. And this is for you. This chocolate is for you, Po. And this is also a hat. Look here. Look what I... Oh! Uh-oh! Dipsy's hat. No! This is Po's hat. Not Dipsy's hat. Okay. Dipsy's hat. Where's the surprise? Yeah, surprise. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's Spaghetti 3. Look at this. Thank you very much. Till the next time with Clipsmixxx. Bye-bye.